Okay, so everything is fine, friends.
Yes, fine.
Okay, so
Yes,
here
yes.
implements
Implements
employee service.
service.
Okay, here what we will do it now, we will override all
All methods.
unimplement all methods, right? Here I overridden here. All method here overridden, right? So now we want to perform the operation with the DB also. So what we will do it now, private
Repos.
employee repository, right? Employee repository repo. And here what we will do it now, we will make as a auto var. At the rate auto var. Fine now. Okay,
Auto var.
so yeah. So now let's
want to
perform
save
the
that.
shave operation, right?
Save operation. Yes.
Yeah. So here
Repo
what we will
dot.
do it. Yeah. So let's take directly
Yes.
repo dot shave, right?
Save.
As
We can pass the entity name of the employee.
okay. So employee, right? Repo dot employee. We saved it, right? Next, what we will do it now?
Yes.
We want to perform the operation, but here based on that, what if employees exist, then we will update it. Otherwise, what we will do it now? What we will do it now? We will throw the exception.
Employee
Right?
does not exist.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
Yes.
let's write the exception class. Okay, custom exception I'm writing in the response only, right? In the response area, what we will do it now?
Yeah.
Let's develop what is that custom exception, right? Shall I?
Yes.
So okay, so right.
Yes, Ravi.
New, let's take one class, right? Here, what is that exception class?
Right.
Or let's take error.
Yes.
Error class, right? Error class. Here, what I'm taking the class name. Let's take employee. Employee not found.
Exception.
Not found, right? Not found exception. Not found exception, and make it finish. And here,
Yes.
what is that in the response only? What is that in the response only? I want what is that exception, except that nothing. So what annotation we will apply here? Just a resource one annotation is there. Let's check it.
Yes.
Yeah. Resource status, I think, is there, right? Not showing. Our response input in the response I want only, right? Response status. Yeah, response status. Inside that, let's give the value equal to what is that, in which one we will give and not found, only not found status I want, right? So HTTP status.
Yes.
We will take what is that HTTP status dot not found. Not found.
Not found is.
Yeah, not found. Okay, so here what we will do it now, we will override, sorry, we will take one constructor. We will take one constructor, right? Public and what is that? Employee
Not found exception.
employee not found exception, and argument, let's take argument as a string, right?
String message str, like we are passing message.
String message, and here super, we will call the super constructor.
Super, yes.
MSG.
Exception class. Extend.
Yeah, good. And here extend, let's run time unchecked exception. I'm implementing runtime exception.
Runtime exception.
Okay, good. And here what it's saying that, okay, here also let's add UUID. Okay, fine. So our exception class is ready now. Okay, so here we will check the conditional based, we will perform the operation, right? So here what I'm doing now, let's make this one as a how
Condition,
conditional based, right?
condition. If yes,
Yeah.
if
So here what is that? First let's take this one. Based on that ID, what we will do it now, we need to
yes,
update.
if ID,
Yeah, so let's take
if ID,
hmm. So first let's take repo dot, we need to update what is that? First find by, based on that, what is that one method? Data JP people are remember or not? Find by ID, right?
find
Find by.
Find by
ID,
find by ID. Find by ID.
ID,
And here what we will give? EMP
EMP,
ID.
EMP, ID.
Okay. So lambda, we will use one method is there here, or through one method is there, right? Or through this one only will perform the, and it's asking what is that? Supplier, right? Supplier means 1 minute, I'm opening the implementation of it. Or else it's asking the supplier now, open the its implementation class, supplier implementation. See how beautiful they wrote the code. How much time it will take? If not null, return value is throw exception, right? So my Eclipse ID is hanging now. Wait.
I think it's hanging. Maybe I think it's hanging.
How much time it will take?
Close it, Ravi. I think it will hanging. So first close it, then it will again open.
Yeah.
Yes.
My system is becoming slow. Yeah, it's asking the supplier, right?
Yes.
Supplier, right? Supplier, inside that it will return, right? It will return if the
Get.
right? Get, we can return any object, right? Come on. So here what we will do it,
Right.
we will take our own object, right? Our own object. It's asking the it's asking the supplier. So what we will do it now, friends, let's take lambda expression. Inside that, what we will do it now, lambda expression, and here what is that? New
New
employee not found exception, right?
not found.
Yeah.
Yes.
Employee,
MSG.
and here what we will do it now, let's give some
You can
message.
pass the message.
Yeah.
Yes. This ID is not just
Employee not found, right?
does not.
Right, employee not found. Okay, this messages we wrote it here, right? Custom exception I'm doing. Okay, fine now, friends. So this one will return what is that? If object is there, then what it will return? Employee object, right? If exist employee emp na? Employee emp. Okay, this one is matching, right? emp employee. Okay, let's take employee. Okay, and here we will return this employee. We will return this employee, or no, first we need to save it also, right? Because we are performing the operation about what is that? Update operation, right?
Find by.
Then we will take employee, we will take employee dot what is that? We will set if employee is there, right? So we will set the name, right? We will set the name, like what is the name, what is the here the reference, right? Reference is there. We will take the reference of this one, emp dot get emp name,
dot get name,
get emp,
emp name.
get emp name. After then what is that? Again one more time we will set it also. Emp dot set emp salary, right? Emp
Yes.
salary. So here what is that? Emp dot get emp salary, right? Get emp salary. Okay, after performing this operation, what we need to do? We need to save this, right? First, what we are doing now, here we are throwing if the record is there. If not there, we will get the exception. If not, if there, then what is that? Update with what is that? New one, right? After then what you need to do?
ID,
Yeah, right. Then
ID.
what you need
With
to
ID,
rep,
with ID.
repo dot
Repo dot
save, right? Save, and here what we will do it now? Here we will pass emp. Got it? Sorry, employee we will pass it now. Employee. We will pass the employee, right? Come on. After
Yes.
that, what delete
Yes.
delete operation is there, right? Same things I want. What is that? With delete also. With delete also. Then what we will do it now? Just copy the same line only, because here also I want to check it. Here also I want to check it. Then what we will do it now? Employee. I'm copying same logic I'm writing here also, right? Employee.
yes.
Employee emp, right? After then what we will do it now, friends? Repo dot dot delete, right? We will call directly delete method is there. Which one we want to delete? Employee we want to delete, right?
Dot.
Come
So,
on. Okay, so here what is that? Get one record also there, right? I want one record, right?
yes.
Yes. Which one means we use repo.find. But above we have
See, update operation is correct, na? Find by ID with yeah, that is correct. Delete operation we are whenever we perform. So find by this one also correct. Okay, so I want what is that? One object, right? One
Yes.
object. So what we will do it now? Let's copy the same line here.
line number 33 line.
Yeah, let's copy the same here also. And what we will do it now? Paste this one. And here what is that? Simple. What we will do it now? Simply what we will do it now? We will return this one only, right? Employee only.
Right.
We will return. So we will get what? One employee record, right?
Yes.
One employee record. So I want what is that? List of what? All record also. Then what is that? What we will do it now? Simple. Just here we will return. For that we don't need to write any logic. Then what we will do it now? Repo dot
Repo.find all.
repo dot find all.
Find all.
Yeah, so now here everything is fine, friends. Okay, so everything is done na? In the service class, all method.
Yes.
Yeah, all methods are done now. Okay, fine now, friends. Here what we will do it now. Next, what is that? Let's develop our controller, right? Let's develop our what? REST controller, right?
Yes.
So
Controller.
yeah, right click, new. Let's take one controller. Here what I'm taking now? Controller. Here I'm taking what is that? Employee REST controller. Finish it. Okay, so here let's take at the rate REST controller at the rate request mapping. Inside that, let's take emp, right? Here let's make auto wired with what? our service interface, right? So private IEMP service, right? IEMP service. Okay, so here let's make this one as a auto word.
Auto.
Make this one as a auto word. Okay, so first operation let's perform, right? Let's perform what is that? First operation. So first operation is which one now, friends? Saving the details, right? Saving the details, na? Come on.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
So
yes.
I'm taking here what is
So,
public. Let's return employee only. Employee, public employee. Here what is that? Save employee. Save employee, right? Return. I'm returning directly. What is that? But here what? It's
Service dot save employee.
1 minute. So here what is that? The employee will come in the format of what is the JSON, right? JSON. Come on.
Yes.
JSON data, yes.
So we need how we can convert in the REST. People are remember that I'm not going to again explain REST concept, friends. Okay, because already I explained. At the rate, what is that? Request body is there, na?
Request body.
Request body.
Request body annotation is there, and here what is that? Employee EMP, right? Employee EMP, like that only, na? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
So employee
And then-
EMP, and here what we will do it now? Return
It will return service.emp.
service dot let's perform save operation inside that. Make this one as a EMP. Simple.
emp.
That's it. Okay. So here what we will do it now? At the rate post mapping.
Post mapping.
Post mapping inside that. What we will do it now, friends? Inside that, what we will do it now? Let's make this one as a save, right?
Save.
Save.
Okay, one method is ready now. Let's perform another method operation also, right? After saving that, let's perform what is that? Fetching all record. For that purpose also, let's write one method. So what I'm going to do now? Public response entity. I'm taking
Entity.
response entity,
Response entity.
and here list
And
of
Employee.
list of
List of employee.
employee, right? List of employee, get all employees, right?
All
Get all employees, right?
yes.
Okay, so
Control shift.
control shift over. Okay, so here what we will do it now? Which methodology we will use? Get mapping, na? Get
Get mapping.
get
Get
mapping. Here select
Mapping.
fetch all record, right? Fetch
All emp.
all record, and here what we will do it now? Return what we will return now here?
It will return.
Response
So,
entity,
list of
Service
employees.
dot.
response entity, response entity dot okay, right?
Okay.
Inside that, let's say service dot what is that? Get all method, let's call get,
Get all employees.
because here inside that this one is converting the JSON and JSON response, right?
Yes.
Guys, again I'm not going to explain what is the okay, what is the response entity. Directly I'm writing the, because we are in the last days in microservices as well as what is that REST, na? So again, if I'm explaining this one, what is the use? So okay, so next operation, I want to fetch one record, right? I want to fetch one record. So let's, what is that? Public, right? Public, what is that? Employee, public employee. Let's take, what is that? Get one employee.
Get one employee.
Get one employee, right? Get one employee. So here what is that? We need, what is that? Employee ID, na friends? Come on. So what is that?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
At the rate
At the rate.
Path variable.
path is very
Path variable. We pass the employee ID.
employee.
Integer ID.
Yes.
EMP ID.
And here what is that?
ID is npm.
Return
Service dot
service dot
service
get one
get
employee,
one employee
and here ID.
employee ID.
Yeah, here we will pass the ID, right? ID. And here what is that? Which kind of methodology we will use? Path,
At the rate
Mapping.
get
get
mapping.
mapping.
And here what we will do it now, //1 and a curly braces and open bracket and em,
ID.
ID.
that's a ID, right?
ID.
ID.
Yes.
Yes.
This one will come as a
Yeah.
dynamically. Okay, so
Yes.
one more, which one is left now? I think modification.
Delete.
Delete and delete.
Yeah, let's perform the modification operation also, right? So public
Yeah. Update.
employee, public employee, what is that? Update employee, right? Shakti, I think you are also came, right? Shakti, you are there?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Employee.
Yeah.
Just now I'm hearing your voice, so that's why I come to know that, yeah, Shakti also.
It's okay. It's okay.
So, okay, so here what is that? Employee update, right? Employee update. So how we can update the employee? We need, what is that? Employee. So, but here in the service class, for the update purpose, we took two argument, right? ID as well as employee object also, na?
Yes.
So first, what is that? At the rate path
Path
value
variable.
integer ID I'm taking, and another one is, what is that? At the rate
Object.
request
Use body.
body and employee
Employee.
EMP, right?
Employee MP.
Employee EMP. And here what we will do it now, friends. Here let's
That return.
now return null, right? Later I will return it. Then here we need to construct the logic. So here what we will do it now, we will call the service dot update, right? Which one? Update method only we are performing now.
Update employee.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so here we will pass ID and EMP, right? And
ID.
this
EMP. Yeah.
one will return, what is that? Employee E, right? Let's return this E here.
Let me check the exception also.
No, we already checked in the service class, na? No need here. Okay, so here what is that? Update purpose, what is the
Post
method?
mapping.
Put mapping, right? Put mapping. Inside that, what we will do it
Post.
now, /modify, and dynamically we will take the ID, right? And dynamically we will take as a
ID.
so one more method is left, right? Which one? Delete employee, right?
Delete.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So delete employee. So it's simple. In the message I want in the employee. So let's take as a string only. String delete employee. So with that, what? With the path ID only we can delete it now. So here what we will take it now? Path
Yeah.
path value. We will take as a path value, right? Sorry, path variable. Path variable. Yeah, path variable as what is that? Integer as a what is that? ID. Let's take as a ID. Okay. ID. Okay, fine now. So after then what we will do it now? We will call that what? Service. We will call as a what is that? Service dot what is that? Delete employee, right? Delete employee. Based on that ID, we can delete it or not. Come on.
Yes.
Yeah. So here, what we will do it now? Return. Just I'm constructing the message now. Employee deleted. Employee deleted, right? Employee deleted with what is that? With which ID, right? plus
Yes,
ID
plus ID.
plus ID now.
Yes.
So I'm returning this one only, right? So our controller class is ready or not, friends? Come on.
So
So
here it is.
yeah.
Yeah.
So
At the rate of delete mapping.
yeah, good observation. Very good, very good. So here what we will do it now, apply on the top of at
On
the
the
delete at the rate,
delete mapping.
yeah, at the rate delete mapping inside,
Delete mapping.
yeah, inside that what we
There
will
is
do
delete,
now,
remove, delete.
slash
Take.
remove and what is that, we will take
Just
ID.
provide.
Process ID.
ID.
Yeah, so emp ID, or let's take ID only.
No, ID only.
Yeah, so now our controller class also ready now, guys. Okay, our controller class also ready now. Shall we test first it and shall we see that what is the problem if we are developing like that application?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So now let's run our application, friends, right? Let's run our application. Okay, so what I'm doing now, let's run it. Okay, so now our application is up now, friends. Okay, our application is up now. So next what we will do it now, open our postman, open the postman, right? If you refresh the database, you will get what?
One employee
Refresh.
data, EMP data will be created.
Yeah, so here see
Redis.
employee table is created, but everything is empty now only, right? So next what we will do it now, come
Yes.
here, open the postman, and the next what we can do it now, we will make the request to our
Data sent.
okay, so here select postman, and what we specify the controller class, just I'm opening now, wait. Okay, so this is employee, right? So here what is that, by default port number
MPN
80, right? 8080. So 8080 emp, here let's take this one as a what,
and save.
8080 slash
EMP
slash save, right?
slash save. Yes.
Select, okay, come inside
Body.
that body section, select a JSON
And
slash
JSON
application,
file.
and in the body section,
And here.
in the body section, what we will do it now, come inside that model class, model class. Yeah, so emp
We
name,
took EMP salary.
emp name, let's take any from the session only, I'm taking someone name, right? So which one, let's take Sunil name, right? I'm taking Sunil. Sunil, right? Sunil, I'm taking the
Yes.
name as a Sunil, and another one is what, emp salary is there, right? Come on,
Salary.
Yes.
emp salary is there. So here what we do now, employee salary is what is that, just let's take 200 only, right? 200. Okay, so now what I'm doing now, I'm making the request. So see this, we are getting the JSON, means what is the ID now? What is the ID? ID is 1, right?
One.
ID 1 is saved, and the Sunil name, if you want to see in the database, come here, just refresh it. Now Sunil is stored in the database or not, friends? Come on.
Yes.
Yes.
Stored.
Sunil
Yes,
saved, right?
stored.
Okay, fine. Now so let's say multiple record in the database, friends. Okay, let's store multiple Sunil and one more name, let's take Pankaj, right? And this amount, let's take 600, and this one also saved, multiple record I'm saving, right? Multiple record I'm saving, and here what is that, here Pankaj, and let's take Ayodele, and just let's take this one as a what,
1K.
800,
1000.
800, and
Right.
I'm making the request. Means what is that? ID number 3. Three record is stored in the database, right? 3 record is stored in the
Yes.
database. Now refresh it. 3 records are there or not, friends? Come on.
Yes.
Yes.
So next,
Yes.
next, what is that? I want to fetch all records, right? So here, what we will do it now? Fetch all record, right? Fetch all.
EMP all.
So
Get.
take get and
Method is to
now
get.
see every
Send,
record
yeah.
every record we are getting in the JSON format now.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But in between
And
reconciliation also, right? I'm don't repeat yes or no, just respond like that. I'm explaining now. Okay, so
Yes.
it's disturbing. Okay, disturbing, that's why I'm saying that. Okay, so here what is that? ID1, ID2 and ID3, 3 IDs are there, right? Come on. So just let's what we will
yes.
do now. I'm going to fetch only one record. My sorry, my need is what? To fetching the record number 3, right? So here what I'm doing now,
Yes.
EMP ID and 1/3, right? 3. I want to fetch the third record, right? So fetching the record for the for what URL we will take get only, right? Get only. So
Yes.
now based on this one, see this third record details we get or not? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Third record,
Yes,
It
yes.
will get.
Yes, yes.
employee number 3rd, we got the record, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so now come here. I'm opening the console. Just assume that, guys. Okay, so what I'm doing now, I'm clearing the console here. I cleared the console now. Come on.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes.
Yes.
see this. What I'm going to do now, again I'm making the request, and what I'm getting now, see record number 3rd we got, right? And on the console select operation, one time it's hitted the database or not? Come on.
Yep.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes, yes.
Now again see this, what I'm doing now. Again I'm making the request. Now I made one more time request.
Again, it will be it.
See, one more time the same query is executed or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Again come here, again I'm making the request. See, yeah, come on the console and observe this. Again, third time also the same select operation is performed or not? Means what is that? How many times we are making the request, those many times it's hitting the database or not? Means database network
Yeah,
call
multiple
or not,
times.
friends? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Means the just what is the use, like if we are fetching the same record multiple time, every time it's hitting the database, means what is that? Performance is reducing or not, friends? Come on, our application performance is reducing or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
It's reducing, right?
But no DB and
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. It is.
Yeah, so for that purpose, if we want to reduce this network cost, then what we will do it now? We will implement what? CASI concept in our application, right? What we will do
Yes.
it now? We will implement what? CASI concept, right? So shall we implement CASI concept also in our application, friends?
yes, yes. Yes, yes.
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
Okay, so
Yes.
this is the problem. Actually, let's come out from these problems.
Yes.
Then what is the concept we need to implement? What? Redis concept, right? Redis CASI. Come on.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so shall we work on this area also?
Yes.
Everyone curious about that, friends? Please respond, everybody. I want from
Yes,
everyone.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay, so now let's stop our application. And now add what? Redis dependency in our application. Right click, come inside that Spring, add edit starter. Actually, I need to change the network, friends. Okay, because with this network I'm not able to download. 1 minute, just wait. Yeah. Now right click, add Spring Starter. Wait, it's not working. Everything is good, friends?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
Okay, right click on the project, select Spring, add edit starter. Okay, now add what is that? Spring data Redis, right? Spring
Redis.
data Redis and okay. Okay, so now Redis dependency we added in our application. Next, what we will do it now? Open our property file, right? Open our property file. Inside that, what we will do it now? We will add related to our Redis cache property, right? So what is that?
Yes,
Spring dot cache Spring dot cache dot type is there, right? Type must make this one as a Redis. And another one is what? Spring dot cache.
Spring.
Oh yeah. Spring dot cache dot Redis. I think Redis only, right? 1 minute. Redis, nullable value, right? It's make this one make as a true. And another one is what? Okay, so let's understand first here. So here, what is that? How many times, right? So how much time you want to store the data in the cache? We need to specify the time also. We need to specify the time. If we not specify the time, then what is that? This cache will not destroy, right? Permanently, this cache will be there, friends. Okay. So for that, what we will do it now? Cache dot Redis
Start.
time to live, right? Time to live.
Time to live.
Yeah, time to. So it will take input as a millisecond, right? So 1000 millisecond.
Millisecond.
1000 millisecond equal to how much? 1 second, right?
1 second. Yes.
Then if 1 second is not good, so what is that? Let's take 1 minute. So 1 minute equal to how many milliseconds, friends? 60,000 milliseconds, right?
60,000. Yeah.
60,000 milliseconds. Now 60,000 millisecond equal to how much? 1 minute, right?
1 minute.
Yeah, 60,000 millisecond equal to 1 minute. So now every property is ready about what is that cache. Next, what we will do it now? Open the main class. Open the main class, and the top of this main class, what we will apply now? At the rate enable
Redis.
At the rate enable. What is that? Enable
Redis.
Enable cache, not Redis.
Okay.
Enable caching, right? Enable caching.
Yes.
Okay, next what we will do it now? Open our what? Open our